Hi children, how are you? I think all are fine, okay. Then in the last class we have just started the chapter, our chapter Birthday Letter by Jawaharlal Nehru, okay. Which chapter we have done in the last class? Yeah, very good. Birthday Letter. Who wrote this letter? Our first Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. You know that. Very good. Birthday letter. All of you remember that? For whom did he write the letter? For whom? Yeah, Indira Gandhi, his daughter Indira Gandhi, who was also our Prime Minister. Okay, all of you know that. Then in the last class we have just stopped here. Then here our great leader Bapuji, he told about our great leader Bapuji, who has done a very good deed, a great actions for us. He had struggled hard for our freedom. Okay. Then he had inspired. As a great leader, you know, a great leader can inspire the people, ordinary people. Like that, our Bapuji inspired the ordinary people who are not thinking at that up to that time, they were not thinking about this freedom fight, but they were only thinking about their life, their ordinary life, their families, like that. But after the inspiration of our Bapuji, they came into the field of freedom struggle. All of you know that. Here, then we have just stopped there. Then I am continuing the chapter. Okay, are you ready with your textbook? Take page number 46. Are you ready? Okay. Bapuji is in prison, but the magic of his message has stolen the hearts of Indians millions. Men and women and even little children come out of their little shells and become India's soldiers of freedom. In India today, we are making history, and you and I are fortunate to see this happening before our eyes and to take some part ourselves in this great drama. What do you mean by great drama? Yeah, freedom struggle, our freedom for independence. Our fight for independence. Okay. Bapuji is in prison. He says, Jawaharlal Nehru says, Bapuji is in prison. Now, Bapuji is in prison. But the magic of his message, even though he was in prison, the magic of his message, he spread a message in the society. His power of his message, or the magical power of his message has stolen the hearts of Indians millions, has stolen the hearts of Indians peoples, millions of Indian people, that has stolen the hearts of that has influenced the people of India. His message has stolen the hearts of India's millions means that has greatly influenced the Indians or Indian peoples, millions of Indian peoples, people. Okay. Men and women and even little children, you know, men and women and even little children come out of their little shells and become India's soldiers of freedom. Up to that time, then they were not taking part in the freedom struggle. Then by the inspiration of Gandhiji, they come out of their little shells, they come out of their houses and become India's soldiers. They also became India's soldiers for freedom. In India today, we are making history. Today, we are making history. These things we are going in the future. The future generation will study about this struggle. We are making history. This history, they are going to study this story. We make history, and they are going to, the future generation are studying this story as a history. Okay. In India today, we are making history, and you and I are fortunate to see this happening before our eyes. We are fortunate means we are very lucky to take part in this struggle. We are very fortunate, or we are very lucky. Fortunate means very lucky. We are very lucky to have, or lucky to take part in this freedom struggle, or in this great drama. And you and I are fortunate to see this happening before our eyes, and to take some part ourselves in this great drama. We have a role in this drama, so we are very lucky. In the future, people in the future, or the future generation will study this, but we are the actors. We are taking part in this great drama. What do you mean by great drama? Great drama means this freedom struggle. We are taking part. We are the actors. We are the players in this drama. Okay. And you and I are fortunate to see this happening before our eyes, and to take some part ourselves in this great drama. Once again I am reading. Listen. Bapuji is in prison, but the magic of his message has stolen the hearts of Indians millions. Bapuji's magical words, powerful words, influence the Indian people very much. Okay. Men and women and even little children, all the people, men and women and little, even the little children, not only men and women, even the little children come out of their little shells. They also came out of their little shells, or their houses, and become India's soldiers. They are also interested. They are also interested to take part in India's freedom struggle. Okay. All the people were interested to take part in India's freedom struggle. In India today, we are making history. We are making history. What in the future, the people are going to study about this in the history. So we are making this history. And you and I are fortunate. We are very lucky. We are very fortunate means we are very lucky to see this happening before our eyes. We can see these happenings, these events, or these actions before our eyes, because we are the actors, or we are the players of this great drama. Okay. To see this happening before our eyes, and to take some part ourselves in this great drama. We are taking part. We are acting our roles in this great drama, because these events are happening before our eyes. In this time, these are happening. Okay. Then, what part shall we play in it? That's a question. What part shall we play in it? What part we play in it? If we are able to be India's soldiers, we have to respect India's honor. That's the main reason. Okay. If we are to be India's soldiers, if you are India's soldiers, we have to respect India's honor. Honor means dignity. We should respect India's dignity. If you are India's soldiers, we should respect India's dignity. Okay. And that honor is a sacred trust. That honor is Jawaharlal Nehru says, that honor is a sacred trust. What do you mean by sacred trust? Sacred trust means holy belief, something holy, something divine. Sacred means something divine or something holy. Then that honor is a sacred trust, means holy. Trust means belief. Trust means belief. That honor is India's honor is a very sacred trust, holy, something divine. That we are honoring India, that's something divine. Okay, related to God. It's no easy matter to decide what is right and what is not. What do you mean by what is right and what is decide what is right and what is wrong. If you want to take a decision, you have to discuss you have to think about it, what is right and what is wrong. Okay. Then it is no easy matter. It is not so easy. It is not so easy. What is not so easy? What is not so easy? Yeah, it is not so easy matter to decide. It is not easy to decide to what is wrong and what is right. Okay. Matter to decide what is right and what is not means what is right and what is wrong. Okay. On little test I shall ask you to apply whenever you are in doubt. Never do anything in secret or anything that you would wish to hide. For the desire to hide anything means that you are afraid, and fear is a bad thing and unworthy of you. Be brave and all the rest follows. Okay. Then it is not easy to decide what is right and what is wrong. Okay. One little test I shall ask. He says, I am giving you a test. Jawaharlal Nehru says, he is giving a test. I shall ask you to apply when you are in doubt. When Indira has any doubt, she can apply it. When he is giving a test and when she has any doubt, she can apply this. Okay. Apply when you are in doubt. Never do anything in secret. He says, you don't do anything in secret or anything that you would wish to hide. Don't do anything don't hide anything. Don't hide anything or never do anything in secret. For the desire to hide means, because the desire to hide, the wish to hide anything means that you are afraid. When you desire to, when you wish to do anything in a hiding manner, when you are in a secret manner, that means you are afraid. When you are afraid of anything, you are hiding something. Okay. When you are afraid of anything, you do it secretly. So, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Never do anything in secret or anything that you would wish to hide. Don't do anything in secret. For the desire means, because the desire or the wish to hide anything means that you are afraid. When you are afraid, you decide to do that thing in a secret way. So be brave. So be brave. Don't do anything in a secret way. Don't hide anything. Don't hide anything or don't do anything in secret way. That means you are very afraid. That is not good for brave people. That is not good for brave people. Do something in secret way is not good for brave people. They are doing by they are not good for this brave people. Okay. Anything that you would wish to hide. For the secret to hide anything means that you are afraid, and fear is a bad thing. He says fear is a bad thing and unworthy, unvaluable, not at all valuable. Unworthy means not at all valuable. Fear is a bad thing and unworthy of you. Be brave. So be brave. He says, be brave, my daughter. You be brave. And all the rest follows. If you are brave, if you are brave enough to face any consequences, all the rest follows. All the things join with you. All the things will come with you. If you are brave enough to face anything in your life, all the rest follows you, or all the things join with you. Okay. So be brave. Don't hide anything. Okay. You know that in our great freedom movement under Bapuji's leadership, there is no room for secrecy or hiding. You know, in our great freedom movement under the leadership of whose leadership? Yeah, Bapuji's leadership. Under the leadership of Gandhiji, there is no room, there is no chance for hiding or secrecy. Okay. You know that in our great freedom movement under Bapuji's leadership, whose leadership this freedom movement happened? Yeah, very good. Our Bapuji's leadership, our freedom movement started. Okay. Under Bapuji's leadership, there is no room for means there is no chance for secrecy. There is no chance for secrecy or hiding. They didn't hide anything. They didn't keep anything secret. They didn't keep anything secret way, or they didn't hide anything. They done all the things in very publicly. Okay. For secrecy or hiding, we have nothing to hide because we are very brave. There is nothing to hide means we are very brave. We are not afraid of what we or do what we say. We are not afraid of what we say or what we do, means we have no fear to do anything because we are doing very sincere way, very true way. Okay. So, we didn't fear. There is no room for, there is no chance for fear. There is no chance for fear. Okay. We are not afraid of what we do. We didn't afraid of what we do or what we say. What we say or what we do are something true. So, we didn't afraid of to say, to do or to say. We didn't afraid of to do or to say what we want to say or what we want to do. Okay. Have you understood? We work in the sun. Work in the sun means we work in the daytime, in the light. Who work in the dark time? Yeah, very good. Who work in the dark time? Yeah, thieves. Thieves means they are afraid of something. Okay, they are afraid of something, thieves. So, they are working in the darkness. Okay, but there is no need of working in the darkness, working in the dark, because we are very brave. We are not doing anything wrong. We are not doing anything wrong. So, we work in the sun. Okay. We are not afraid of what we do or what we say. We work in the sun and in the light. Even so, in our private lives, let us make friends with the sun and work in the light and do nothing secretly. Even in our private lives, not only in public life, in our private lives, let us make friends with the sun, means we should make friends with the sun, means we should make friends with the people who are not hiding something or who are very true in their or true or sincere. They are very people who are very true. They are following the policy of truth. And work in the light and do nothing secretly. And if you, even so in our private lives, let us make friends with the sun and work in the light and do nothing secretly. Don't do anything secretly. Even in our public, not only in our public life, in our private life also, we should work in the sun. Don't do anything wrong. Okay. And if you do so, my dear, you will grow up a child of the light. If you do like that, if you work in the light, you will grow up as a child of light, a good child. You will grow up as a good child, unafraid and serene and unruffled, whatever may happen. You may not, there is no chance for, you may not be afraid and serene and unruffled. Don't be afraid of anything. Whatever may happen, you will not be shaken. You will be stern in your decision. Then you can be stern in your decision. Whatever may happen. Whatever may happen, you would be stern in your decision. I have written a very long letter to you. Then he was going to stop the letter. I have written a very long letter to you, and yet there is so much I would like to tell you. I have to tell you very long, very more and more things to you, but there is no scope in a letter. I have written a very long letter to you, and yet there is so much I would like to tell you. I would like to tell you a very long, so much, means I have to tell you more and more things. How can a letter contain it? but there is some limitation. There are some limitations in a letter for writing a letter. How can a letter contain it? A letter cannot contain all my ideas. That is the reason. So, I cannot tell everything to you. A letter cannot contain all the things in my mind. There are some limitations in a letter. Okay. Goodbye, little one, and may grow up into a brave soldier. Goodbye. I am stopping my letter, my dear daughter, and may you grow up in a brave soldier. You be grow up as a brave soldier in India's service. In India's service, you should grow up as a brave soldier. With all my love and good wishes, I wish you all the best. I wish you all the love and good wishes to you. Your loving father, Jawaharlal Nehru. And he is stopping his letter. So, I think all of you understood this letter and enjoyed this. All of you should read it 5 or 6 times. Then write the exercise follows. Check how well you read. Here are some statements based on the letter. Put a tick mark in the right column for the statements that are true. Mark cross the one which are false. Correct the false statement and write them in the space given below the table. Okay. Take page number 48. Then check how well you read. Check your answers. You check how well you read. Okay. What you have to do? Here are some statements based on the letter. Some statements are given in the box and you should read it. Put a tick mark in the right column for the statements that are true. In the right column, you have to put a tick mark in the right column for the statements that are true. Mark cross the one which are false. For the false statement, you should mark cross mark. Okay. Correct the false statement and write them in the space given below the table. Then after that, you should, what you have written as a false statement, you should correct it and write in the space below the table. Okay. Okay, my children. You have to do the checkout list. Statements. I am reading the statements. Okay. Are you ready? Okay. Shall I proceed? Nehru was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fight. You look at the story or the chapter and find out. Nehru was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fight. Was he imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fight? Yeah, very good. Yes, he was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fight. So, you should mark, what you should mark? Tick. You should mark a tick. First one, statement, you should mark true or false. Look at the text, and write. Okay. Nehru was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fight. You are right. What is the answer? Yeah, correct. T. First one is T. Shall I write it? Nehru was imprisoned for taking part in the freedom fight. Okay. This statement is correct. Okay. You should put a tick mark there. Next one. Indira never got any present at her birthday. As her birthday gift. What did you read? Indira has got many gifts. That you have read it. Okay. Then is it wrong or right? It is Wrong. Okay. Indira got many presents as her birthday gift. Indira never got any present as her birthday gift is the statement here. So what is the correct one? Indira got many presents as her birthday gift. Okay. Then that is false. Indira never got any present as her birthday gift. This is wrong. You should put tick mark here, then wrong. Okay. Nehru always enjoyed advising his daughter. The first paragraph itself, have read. He never enjoyed doling out, sermonizing, advice. Okay, we can go to the chapter and read. Okay. You know, sweetheart, how I dislike sermonizing and doling out good advice. So, it is wrong or right? Nehru always enjoyed advising his daughter? No, he didn't enjoyed advising his daughter. So, it is also false. Nehru always. So, I am writing this here. Nehru always enjoyed advising his daughter. Okay. Second one, then fourth one. Okay. Writing a letter is not equal to a discussion as the former is one-sided. We have discussed in the chapter, writing a letter is not equal to a discussion as the former is the one-sided. Writing a letter is a one-sided activity. A discussion is a both-sided activity. Okay. A discussion is a two-sided activity and writing a letter is a one-sided activity. Okay. But this one is true or false? Yeah. This true. Writing a letter is not equal discussion as the former is one-sided. Yes, writing a letter is a one-sided activity. All of you know that. So, this is wrong or right? This is right. Okay. Next one. In history, we don't read of great periods in the life of nations of great men and women. Is it right? In history, we don't read of great periods in the life of nations of great men and women. In history, we read of great periods, the life of nations and great men and women. So, it is wrong. Okay. We don't read of great periods in the life of history. Really, in history we read of great periods, life of nations and great men and women. We are studying the history, the great periods, the life of great men and women. So, it is here it says that we don't read of. So, it is wrong. Okay. Okay. So, next one, the desire to hide anything shows that you are brave. What the chapter says? The desire to hide anything shows that you are brave. Is it right? No. The desire to hide anything that you are not told brave. The desire to hide anything shows that you are brave is a wrong statement. Wrong statement. The desire to hide anything shows that you are brave is a wrong statement. Oh, you should note it in the textbook. Okay. Under next one, did you do it? Okay, shall I proceed? Okay. Under Bapuji's leadership, there is no scope for secrecy or hiding. We have studied that under Bapuji's leadership, there was no scope for secrecy or hiding. We have studied. Okay. So, it is right. You should mark a tick mark there. You should put a tick mark there. Under Bapuji's leadership, there is no scope for secrecy or hiding is a correct statement. So, you should put a tick mark there. Okay. Have you done? Have you done, my dear children? Okay. Then, shall I go to the next statement? Yeah. Okay. Nehru wrote a short letter to Indira. Nehru wrote a short letter to Indira. In the last part, he says, I am writing a long letter. So, it is a long letter, not a short letter. So, you should mark a cross, put a cross mark. Nehru wrote a short letter. So, but Nehru wrote a long letter to Indira. So, you should, which mark you have to done there? You should put a cross mark there. Last one is a wrong statement. Last one is a wrong statement. Okay. Then you have what you have to do then? The statement I have corrected. So, here you can see some statements are false. Which are the false statement? Indira never got any present as her birthday gift. Indira never got a present as her birthday gift. That is a wrong statement. So, you should write it correct. You should write the correct statement. What is the correct statement? Indira got many presents on her birthday. Okay, you should write it. You look at the textbook, read the textbook and write the correct statement where there is wrong. Now, next one is Nehru always enjoyed advising his daughter. Did he enjoy advising his daughter? No, you know that he didn't enjoy advising his daughter. What you have to do? You should write the correct answer. That is the first page. So, in the second paragraph, you can see the correct answer. I can see that. I dislike sermonizing and doling out good advice. That you should write there. I dislike sermonizing and doling out good advice. You should write that answer there. Okay. Second one. You should put numbers 1, 2 like that. Okay. Then third one. First word is in history we don't read of great periods in the life of nations of great men and women. That is also a false statement. You should write the correct one. In history, we read of great periods in the life of nations, of great men and women. Okay. In history, we read of great periods in the life of nations, of great men and women. Okay. Then go to the next one. The desire to hide anything show that you are brave. That is also a wrong statement. You should write the correct one. What is the correct one? Desire to hide anything shows that you are not brave. Okay. Next, last one is Nehru wrote a short letter to Indira. You know that he says, I am writing a long letter. So it is a false statement. You should write Nehru wrote a long letter to Indira. Okay. Then go to the next page. Second activity. Match the sentence part in the column A with those in column B to form meaningful sentence. What you have to do? You should read the chapters. You should read this letter several times and understand it and match these columns. Okay. First one, the magic of Bapuji's message. What is the correct answer? Which sentence is matching to that in the B column? Can you say which sentence is matching to that B column? The magic of Bapuji's message has stolen the hearts of millions of men and women. Very good. Okay. Next one. Jawaharlal Nehru says that in our freedom movement, what's the correct one? Can you say? Somebody is saying the answer. What is the answer? Yeah. There is no room for secrecy or hiding. Okay. Next one. When time comes, ordinary men and women. What is the matching one? When time comes, ordinary men and women become interested in a great cause. Very good. Jawaharlal Nehru dislikes. What did he dislike? Yeah. Jawaharlal Nehru dislikes sermonizing and doling out good advice. Very good. According to Nehru, if we are to be India's soldiers of freedom, what is the answer? According to Nehru, if we are to be India's soldiers of freedom, we have to respect India's honor. If we are India's freedom, participating in India's freedom, we should respect India's honor. India's honor. Okay. Great leaders can, what's the answer? Great leaders can inspire people. Great leaders can inspire people to do great deeds. Very good. Great leaders can inspire people to do great deeds. Okay. Then what you have to write, then after matching these statements, you should write the sentences below. By matching these, you can join the sentence and write below the box. Okay. That is a homework for you. All of you do it and send me. Okay. Today I am going to wind up the class. Then have a good day. Okay. Read the textbook several times and do the activities. Okay. Have a good day. Thank you.